Adi ako star. Ikaw?
Tanggalin mo. Mamaya makita ni Sir yan. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo sa matanda niya?
Pinapabata.
Kung kailan tumanda.
Kaya lalong gumanda.
Anong gagawin? Tapos na.
Hi everybody, this is Charlotte, your recovering shopaholic in today's Lazada haul with Manang, your favorite.
Asan yung Lazada?
Ano yung ibig sabihin ng Lazada?
Hindi ko alam.
Manang and I are twinning. Pakita mo naman yung sayo. Twinning.
Oh, cute.
Ang hirap magpaka-millennial. Ang daming sabit-sabit sa buhok.
Sabit-sabit.
Ito pa talaga ang gusto nyo gawin sa itsura nyo. Today, Manang is gonna help me unwrap these packages from Lazada that I have been hoarding. And I'm sure you miss seeing her on my videos. Hopefully, you also miss seeing me on my videos. But anyway, you get 2 for the price of 1. To all of you who are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing because you're gonna learn a lot of new things here. And because I love bargains. So if you want to know what kind of things a recovering shopaholic buys online, whether it's gonna be useful or it's gonna be trash, then let's get to it. This is gonna be in no particular order. First item, 4 foundations. My Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundations, which is my ride or die foundation, because it was half off. It became 249.50 pesos. I hoarded. I took the opportunity. Ooh. So if you watch my empties haul, you would know that I already have like 4 empty bottles of this. Therefore, I replaced it with another 4 new ones. And this is my absolute favorite foundation of all time. Okay, what do you have there, Manang?
Ano ba to? Kulungan ng halaman.
Kulungan ng halaman.
Upuan ng halaman niya.
So this one is like a fail of the day. I bought these baskets because the picture looks like this. This is 163 pesos each. I bought this and I thought it was so cheap because baskets are actually quite expensive. I was planning to use this for my floor plant. It's like finding love online. Sometimes your chatmate ends up like this basket. And we put this on our faces. Yes, cover those faces. What do you think? Yes, ma'am. So yeah, next. Yeah. Yay! So the next ones that I'm unwrapping are my super cute pearl hangers.
Wow, cute.
Once again, they're more miniature than I expected them to be. But they're still nice. Ang ganda oh! Aesthetic. Millennial talk ulit. Aesthetic.
Wow.
And this one is for the skirts or shorts or pants. So this is 251 pesos.
1 each?
1.
Eto.
I didn't remember it as being that expensive. You know, sometimes talaga when I go shopping, I black out. As in, sinasaniban ako, Manang. Minsan talaga I question my sanity when I'm online shopping. This one is 3 pieces for 388 pesos. So parang 100 each.
100 ang isa?
Each. Okay, so this one is 120. Ay! So this one is a hook for 129 pesos. So anyway, these ones I was planning to use for filming. So stand by for that new aesthetic.
Sabitan ng kaldero.
Sabitan ng kaldero. This is a pantry kitchen organization. This is a pantry kitchen organizer. This is 122 pesos and 59 centavos. I'm guessing this is gonna be made of plastic. It says as seen on TV. This one seems to be worth the price at 122 compared to my 250 peso hanger. More hangers. Rose gold beautiful hangers. We have 5 pieces for 134 pesos. That's definitely more worth it than my 251 peso pearl hanger. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. I was buying. I was pressing. I was checking out. This one says it's aluminum alloy. I don't know what that means, but it feels like the tansan material. But anyway, it's so pretty. So since I love to haul clothes, this is gonna be very useful to me, showing you the outfits. Yes! Winning! I love this.
Ano ba naman to?
Next!
Laruan?
Ala! tsaga niya. So right now, it's in pieces. So this is supposed to be the pump for the gallon of water that we normally use for the water dispenser. Oh my gosh, water dispenser lang. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was $84.55 for 2 pumps. I bought this for my little eatery called Lugaw Pilipinas. Shout out! Open 24 hours in Barangay Bambang, Pasig City. When I first saw this, I was so amazed and I thought it was brilliant, genius, one-of-a-kind technology, better than iPhone and better than the bullet train. But then, I realized I didn't really need a pump. I could just use a water dispenser with a faucet. So there you go, this is one of my regret buys, but only because I wasn't really thinking. As you can see, there's already a recurring theme for this haul. Regrets. I have a few. But to be fair to Lazada, I wasn't looking at the dimensions or the measurements probably listed on the listing of these. So, not your fault, Lazada. So that's a good tip to avoid disappointments. Make sure to read the listing. What do you have for me, Manang, next? Next is... Okay, I mean, can we please save the environment? I don't think we need to secure my fairy lights this much. So this one is 219 pesos. This is a 10-meter Christmas string lights USB lights. Oy, cute! Danda! Parang mas maganda ako pag walang ilaw. Mas maganda pala.
Pag nabuhol-buhol pa.
Parang mas maganda pala ako pag madilim. So there you go, this 219 peso fairy lights that I don't know where I'm going to put yet. This will be nice to put in a big bottle, nice to put around your mana.
Cute.
I'm quite happy with this one. Oh my gosh, ito na naman ang expectation versus reality.
Wow. Yan.
So there you go, this tiny little mirror for 199 pesos. Laki pa naman ng mukha ko, hindi kasya sa mirror na to. Yung sa'yo, Manang. Patingin niya, kasya ka.
Wow.
Oh, kasyang-kasya.
Oh, ito.
Gusto mo sa'yo na lang to. It looks round on screen, but it's actually oval. So, just like my face, it looks round on screen, but it's actually round in real life. I was actually expecting this to be a little bit bigger. You know, like what they sell in those bathroom fixtures, like Crate and Barrel or Pottery Barn. But it's more like Miniso. The moral lesson of the story again is, read the details. There are measurements. Second moral lesson of the day, do not panic buy. So hey, although this wasn't what I was expecting it to be, this is gonna be great for traveling. Next up, I bought local makeup. I have Pink Sugar's Girl Next Door for 149 pesos and Pink Sugar's Hot Mess for 96 and 3 centavos. So there must be some kind of sale or promo when I bought the other one. And then I also bought the new iconic eyeshadow palettes of Everbilena. I have the Mixed Metals and I have the Minimalist. The Everbilena eyeshadow palettes are 175 pesos each. I get so excited when there are new eyeshadow launches because there are such few eyeshadow options here in our local market. Ooh! Okay, I also have 3 EB Advanced Matte Lipsticks in shades Sahara Sunset and Sweet Sorbet. Now, the Sahara Sunset is 99 pesos and so is the Sweet Sorbet, and I'm pretty sure I only ordered 1. But it says on my orders list that I ordered 2. So, moral lesson. Pang ilang moral lesson na ba? 4th na yata or 5th. Check how many pieces you're checking out. Because sa sobrang panic buying mo, nanginginig na, ninenervyos na baka makaubusan na ng stock. Next! So this next one is worth 49 pesos. They are just simple gold hoops with a pearl drop earring. I love pearl earrings and I love earrings in general. And this was 49 pesos.
49?
Hopefully this is gonna be more than 1 use. But for 49 pesos, this is so classy.
Yan ang cute.
This one! This is for Manang. So this one is called the Electric Magic Food Processor. And this is 387 pesos and 3 centavos. And this one I bought for Manang so that she can just peel garlic and then she doesn't need to chop them anymore. So I like to chop peanuts for my pad thai. Wow, so professional sounding. Peanuts for my pad thai. So I think that's it. And since we are unwrapping stuff anyway, I would like to say thank you to my bombshell who sent this to me. Oh my gosh, ang dami my gosh, I feel like panicking all over again. Oh, Manang, we have more! Oh my gosh, I see clips! More clips on our hair! Wow, these are gorgeous. We have some beautiful earrings with natural materials. This one in green and this one in coral. Oh my gosh! Accessories! Wow! Wow, neneng na neneng! Oh, there's more from Lingap PH. You have a shampoo bar for color-treated, dry, and frizzy hair. Tinamaan ako ng konti. Kulang na lang ilagay dito and non-growing hair. Talagang pinatatamaan na ako. Tibay shampoo bar. Ito naman, strengthens hair and reduces hair fall. Para sa'yo yan. Wow, I never knew conditioner can be a bar type.
Bango.
Oh. They come with a mesh pouch so that you can hang them to dry. So this is because she's really passionate about this advocacy of living plastic-free to save the environment. Thank you very much, Jazz, and I hope my F Bombshells can support your advocacy because this is something that matters to me as well. Oh my gosh, there are leather bag tags, Mrs. Ferguson, Mr. Ferguson, Mrs. F. These are gorgeous leather tags. Oh my god, is this what I think it is? Gosh,
Earring.
ang cute! Might be earrings? Possible? Am I being stupid? If this were earrings and I'm putting it on my ear, I'm very sorry. But, oh, cute! The material is not cheap at all. May picture yung mga nagpadala. Sweet! Thank you! This group of girls are killing it! You're all lady bosses! Thank you so much for your appreciation of me and my channel. I can feel it through every word of your notes. And I'm proud to call you my F Bombshells for being so generous, ambitious, and hardworking.
Thank you, F Bombshells.
There you have it, everybody. That was my Lazada haul with a little bit of PR haul at the end. Thank you, Manang, for being here with me and for helping me unwrap my packages. Madami ba?
Ang dami, grabe ah.
Ano favorite mo?
Wala. Eto.
Ang harsh. Yes, syempre para sa'yo yan eh.
Thank you, ha?
Thank you everybody for...
Thank you everybody for watching.
And we'll see you on the next Upload Tuesday. Mwah! Cherry. Cherry naman. Ay. Ayun!
Yan, iniipitan ko yan pag...
Ano akala mo yan, Manang?
Takip ng ano?
Nang?
Yung expenser.
Expenser. Ano yung sabihin na expenser?
Yung tubig.
Dispenser. So if you want to know what kind of things a recovering shopaholic buys, then keep on watching. Oh my gosh. I'm really not a YouTuber anymore. I'm using that famous line, then keep on watching. F Bombshell sila. Yung nanonood. Sila fan sila mo. Fan sila mo. Fan nila ikaw. Ay, ano ba tawag doon? Fan sila ni ikaw.
Wow.
De. Fan sila mo.
Hindi nga, Bi. Ano ba yan?
Basta, fans kanila. Ayun! Fans kanila! Hindi. Fans.
Hindi ko alam yan.